carved out a sound that influenced the grunge movement in Seattle and numerous punk and rock bands over the last 40 years. And now, the Melvins are set to bring their legendary live show to Bakersfield's Temblor Brewing Company tonight. 23ABC's digital content producer Pete Menting recently spoke with Melvins frontman Buzz Osborne. He says he's quite fond of one of Bakersfield's icons.
Well, I think Buck Owens is very progressive. I think a lot of country music fans gave him crap because of that. He wasn't as traditional as they would have liked, even though he was fully capable of doing that sort of thing. He expanded out and did a lot of odd sounds on records, like fuzz guitar and a bunch of things that and songs like Memphis that maybe a lot of country people thought was too rock sounding.
The Melvins show begins at 7 tonight at Temblor Brewery. For tickets, go to ticketweb.com.